Hello! In this video, we would like to tell you about Simpra, a brand new restaurant management solution. Simpra is capable of running on any iOS or Android mobile device, tablet or Chrome web browser, and it works seamlessly in all types of restaurants as it's a cloud-based EPOS solution. Its user-friendly interface shortens the time spent on order and payment processes. Simpra is designed to satisfy both customers and service personnel with its smart features such as tagging related products, splitting checks per person or per product, and cover charges. Let's explore some of the main features of Simpra. Partial payment, dividing the table check. The partial payment feature is one that distinguishes Simpra amongst its competitors, as it makes the payment transactions very flexible. Simpra includes an advanced payment system that enables you to split the total check into various combinations, such as per person, per product, or per payment type. To use the partial payment feature, click on the Payment button on the order screen and go to the Payment page. Select the products and payment type and finish the payment process. You can pay a part of the remaining amount by either entering an amount or close the check by choosing one of the direct payment types. Product tagging, creating dynamic menu groups. The product tagging feature speeds up the order-taking process by allowing you to group related products within the same tag. For example, your service personnel will be able to view the morning shift's best-selling products under the Morning tag and therefore complete all orders very quickly. In addition, product tagging does not affect your current menu grouping system. To use the product tagging feature, press and wait for 3 seconds on the menu item you want to group under a tag. Type the name on the pop-up screen. Click Save, and your tag will have been created. You can add a new product under the same tag by simply following the same steps and selecting the tag at the end. Adding note to the orders. Adding note to the order is another smart feature of Simpra that will speed up the ordering process. Using this feature, you can write down your customer's order-specific requests and inform the kitchen immediately. Since the previous notes are recorded on the system, you can access old notes and add them to the current order quickly. To use the Note feature, find the requested product and press it for 3 seconds. The text area will open, and you can add the customer request. Once you start writing, you will be able to see previously recorded notes as well. Click on the Order button and inform the kitchen unit right away. Delivery order management. And one more important feature of Simpra is the ability to manage takeaway orders outside of the restaurant. On the Delivery order management screen, you can enter a takeaway order, view the status of delivery, update or cancel the order by selecting a registered customer or recording a new one. To use the Delivery order management feature, click the Create a new order button on the delivery screen and go to the Customer Selection screen. If the customer has already been registered previously, you can find them by using the Search feature or just create a new customer account. Select the delivery address and go to the order screen. Confirm the order and start the process. The order under preparation will be displayed as Preparing on the list screen. Update the status of the prepared order as On Delivery when your courier picks up the package. You can update the status as Delivered when the order has been delivered to the customer. You can monitor the current status of all orders on the Delivery page. 5. Simpra Dashboard. The web interface of Simpra includes a user-friendly dashboard and reporting system that provides actionable data and performance indicators of your business. You can view the KPIs, compare data within a time range, evaluate sales of your products, and track the performance of your employees. These are only some of the exclusive features of Simpra, the brand new point-of-sale solution. For more information about Simpra, please visit our website. Simpra, simple and practical restaurant management system.